and worked for 40 years. In 2011, I retired from the ISRO, and after that, we started the research. In fact, I was doing the research when I was in office also from 2000 onwards. For 25 years of research, we could produce so many research papers, especially for migraine and this diabetes. So basically, our main idea is to research and give the research results to the scientists, convince them that acupuncture is a science and it will work.
He has taken up this whole establishment, this whole building, to set up a 50 to 60 bedded hospital for acupuncture, and has agreed to give us this space for setting up the Acupuncture Research Center. So I'd like Dr. Samiullah to say a few words on this occasion.
Very glad to see you all, and since sir introduced that we have already center, 4 stories building is there here, and that also college come the OPD center we do now. And we have started here in 2015, but there we started in 2003 at Shivaji Nagar Center. And simultaneously we have developed the programs, various programs. Since I studied in the 6 countries, I visited and then studied for the acupuncture. And further, I think greater than 30 countries I given the lecture to the acupuncture for the various universities. Private and government universities. Still that the process is going on. So in this way we developed like a Bachelor of Acupuncture, Master of Acupuncture. First time in India we introduced that, and we have compiled the books, greater than 30 books with the professors and also Ujra sirs together. And then now we are giving the same syllabus to 5 Indian universities. We introduced the various courses of acupuncture. The 3 government universities and the 2 private universities as well. And the things are still is going on, and they recognize from the China and Mexico universities as well. And this is what is going on now, as he said, to develop and bring the documentation. But here we were discussing that documentation to be taken place precisely here. I request all the dignitaries who completed the PhD, wanted to doing any kind of head to toe any kind of the research you are doing or done already with the clinical trials. But because whenever you wanted to do the national clinical trials, you have done for the 10 clinical studies, you have done at least 5 clinical studies, 20 clinical studies. Collectively will become the data. We do have 100 patients. We have done the research in the basis of by using the non-drug treatment or the drugless modality of the treatment. That to be submitted to the government later whenever they request us. However, already the central government has been recognized. You all know the national.
And this is going to be available here, so anybody who wants to refer, they can always refer. And after that, from Tamil Nadu, in 2020, so I started.
I don't have practice as such, just attached to the academy and all the activities of the academy. Very happy for doctor and for acupuncture and for the science of healing for this research center. So, shall I say thank you also?
Yes.
So, thank you, Dr. Bhushan. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the research center for the acupuncture, and mainly thank you for being an inspiration, even at 74.
76.
76 running.
Even at 76, he is still learning and he is achieving goals like getting recognition for opening a research center. So you are an inspiration for the next generation. Thank you for making us believe that we still can learn so much, and there is still so much to learn. Thank you, Dr. Samiullah. Very busy for acupuncture research. Thank you, Dr. C.K. Raju, for being in the forefront of getting recognition for acupuncture in India. It means so much to so many of us acupuncturists.
Issue a certificate of acupuncture to Mr. Arun Huda, who is an acupuncturist, all right, but as an honor from the Academy of Acupuncture, Dr. Bojraj.
He is our electro-homeopathy guru, but I have become acupuncture guru for him and giving this certificate. He knows much more than what we are teaching in our this thing. So this certificate is going to help because this is acupuncture is already recognized by the government. So unless you have this certificate, you cannot go to and do research. So that's why this is very, very important. Thank you, Dr. Huda, for
part of the recognition movement in India as an ASA member in the background. And I am happy that Government of India has recognized this under allied healthcare profession tentatively, and we are actually demanding a better recognition as an independent system of treatment. And to me, as a chemist and then a promoting engineer, acupuncture is a biophysics where piezoelectricity passes through the meridian system to offer a good peace of mind, a good healthy pattern to clear all maladies in the physiological system. So I am happy that this research center has been initiated, and Dr. Bojraj will be working on acupuncture and acupressure for the humanity. Dr. Girdhar Gopal here will be working on electro-homeopathic research, and we will see that there is global peace and unity and pure minds all around.